Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I've achieved 25% gain in SPX within 5 days. Let's have a look at the chart of SPX. In this play, I've executed a calendar spread in SPX. With extreme low readings in VIX, the high probability of win lies in execution of a calendar spread. The trade was exited on 10 January. In summary, this is a neutral bearish trade. There's entry price of $3.30 and exit price of $4.10. Remember that with low readings of VIX, it is great to have a calendar spread to capture the gains in the indices. A nice 25% gain for this trade within 5 days. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Entry date is 5th January and exit on 10th January. Entry price is $3.30 with exit price of $4.10. This trade has achieved a 25% gain within 5 days. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.